Hey guys, I owe you a Tuesdays in the Attic, don't I? I think so. Yes, I definitely owe you a Tuesdays in the Attic. I think I'm gonna do either. We got a couple good shots of my son and I and my husband on our vacation we took just recently. So I think I'm gonna use one of those, maybe even this one. We're gonna do a single photo. I know, sorry, because there's not a ton of cuts in this. With this. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Freaky Fast formula that we have back from I think 2017. It said. It's right here. You can read it for yourself, I guess. So we need a 9 1/4 by 2 1/4, a 6 1/2 by 4, a 7 by 4, a 3 by 4, and a 4-inch circle. So we just did a 4-inch circle in the last one. So another 4-inch circle. Yeah, I think awesome. So I'm gonna get cutting. I'm gonna use my How to Kill a Kit with Style because I need to use more. It's a big kit, and I need to get more used up. And there's a lot of great patterns and things, and yeah, I need to use more. So I'm gonna get using this. Let's get started. What I've done so far is I have just cut out my pieces, trying to figure out a good combination of colors and patterns. I didn't want to overwhelm it because I kind of like the fact that we're all wearing blue, ironically, in this photo. And so I really wanted to focus on that. So I did go grab a piece of craft cardstock for a base because I was already dealing with lots of patterns. So I love this kit, but it is hard. The patterns in this one, I feel like there weren't as many good background pieces. I do have some good ones though. I think I'm going to make a double page for the next one, which I'm already late for. Again, I realize, yes. So I've taken my pieces. So we've got the 9 1/2 by 2, 9 1/4 by 2 1/4, which is this one, and I fringed it. 6 1/2 by 4, and then the 7 by 4. So 6 1/2 by 4, 7 by 4, and then my 3 by 4, and then my 4-inch circle. Oh, I did a 6-inch circle. I still think I'm going to have a very similar layout. I don't think I'm going to change that much, but let's see now. But I kind of liked this double mat. I like my fringe. Kind of like the bigger circle, but that's fine. Yeah, maybe I'll punch some smaller circles. And then I thought about just doing like a banner up here, but to me that almost doesn't go now that this is a smaller circle. Yeah, I think I'm going to punch a few smaller circles. I really want this one, but yeah. Okay, I feel a little better about that. Looks a little more normal. I still might banner this out. Yeah. So let's do that. Real narrow, or real shallow, I should say. Okay, I'm going to finish fussy cutting these. I'm going to glue this stuff down, or at least together, and then we can decide if we're doing anything else. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I think with these bigger flowers, I'm going to put this on the top, but I gotta straighten it out because it's horribly cut. And I think I want to actually put these flowers across the top. Maybe, or maybe I just want the yellow. Let's see, hold on. Or maybe yellow in this. And then I thought about having if I had flowers peeking out from underneath that. Maybe just in one cluster, actually, that might be good. That, I think we'll go with that. Or do I want like the florals on top of this? And we'll just cut off the excess. Or do we just want it up over here and cut off the excess? I like that better because these bubbles were going up, so to me it was kind of weird to put it over there. Okay. So yeah, we'll glue that down. Can I get one more quote unquote bubble? We'll do a circle. I have a yellow that is coming off the page almost on this. Just trying not to waste the ones I already have, or the ones I already partially cut out. So let's do, and then we'll tuck this one up. Something like that. Okay. I'm gonna go find Desert Dome. Those, and then add any of this that I think I can, any of those that I think I can, and I think we'll be good. Okay, I'm gonna go find those alphas and I'll check back in with you. I just glued down my letters, added some enamel dots. I think we're gonna call that one good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.